Why do we ever leave the house? Why do we get out of town every time a 3-day weekend comes around? Why do we look down roads? Roads we've never been on and have no idea where they go. And then go down those roads. Why? Why do we end up in some dive in Reno, hanging out with Rick, when we don't even know Rick? Hey, Rick. Why do we seek out new experiences? Or search for the best barbecue on each side of the Mississippi? Why do we even cross the Mississippi to begin with? Why do we spend the night in a cold cabin and drink instant coffee when we have a warm bed and espresso machine right at home? Because we know home. But what we don't know is what lies beyond.